You probably hear or see people make money from Amazon all the time, right? Well, I'm glad that you are here because I'm going to show you how you can join them and start earning commissions by promoting products from Amazon. This is a super easy and fun way to earn money online. But before you can start making money, you need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program and get approved by Amazon. Don't worry, it's not hard at all. I'm going to show you the whole process step by step and explain everything you need to know, so let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. This is the official name of the program. You should see the official Amazon website on the first page. On the one that comes up here, just click on it. This will take you to the homepage of program where you can see information about the benefits, the commission rates, and the tools that you can use as an affiliate. On the home screen, you can see yellow button that says sign up. Click on it. This will take you to the sign up page where you need to enter your email address and password. If you already have an Amazon account, if you don't have an Amazon account, you need to create one by clicking on the button that says create your Amazon account. You will see a form where you need to fill in your details. Just type in your full name, your email address, and your password. Then type in your password again to confirm it. After you fill in the form, click on the button that says create account. After you sign in or create your Amazon account, you will be taken to the first step of the application process where you need to enter your account information. This includes your name, address, phone number, and pay name that you want to use for receiving payments. The payee name is the name that you want to appear on your checks or bank statements. It can be your name or your business name. If you have one, the address line is where you live, and the other or your current country and phone number. Make sure that you enter your information correctly and accurately because this will be used for verification and tax purposes later. And once you fill in all the required fields, click on the next button and bottom of the page to go to the next step. The next step is to enter your website or mobile app information. This is where you need to tell Amazon what platforms you will use to share your links and promote their products. And guess what? You can use your YouTube channel as well as example. For example, I have a YouTube channel where I plan to promote and review different products from Amazon. So I just need to copy the link of my YouTube channel and paste it in the box and click add. It's that easy. After you enter your website or mobile app information, clicking on the next button to move. On now, the next step is to fill out your profile information. This is where you get to tell Amazon who you are and what you do online. You can use any name that you like as long as it's not already taken by someone else. This is how Amazon will recognize you as an affiliate. For example, I use my YouTube channel name and find or website or brand. You can use whatever name that you have. Okay, you should use a name that represents you. Also, you should need here to write a short description of what your website or mobile app or your YouTube channel is about. You need to tell Amazon what kind of topics you cover, who your audience is, and what your purpose is. This will help Amazon to understand your niche and your content better. For example, you have to write this, what I write here. You can also use ChatGPT or Bing or Copilot, whatever AI, they can also write for you, and you can also use them for writing this part. Okay, and as you can see, I wrote my description in a clear and concise way. I also used keywords that describe my niche and my content. This will make Amazon take my application more seriously and approve it faster. Next, you need to pick the topic that best describes your content. For my channel, I choose content on niche website because I focus on a niche. Then I select online search because that's how people find my content. Then you have to type in this captcha to prove that you're not a robot, and you have to agree with your terms and conditions. Make sure you read them carefully before you check the box. Once you complete this, you click on the finish button to submit your application. Boom! You have successfully signed up for Amazon affiliate program. You will get an email from Amazon confirming your application and giving you your unique associate ID. You can use this ID to create links to any product on Amazon and start earning commissions. But wait, there is more. Your application is still subject to a final review by Amazon, which may take up to 24 hours. During this time, you can access your affiliate dashboard and start creating links, but you won't be able to see your earnings or reports until your application is approved. Amazon will also check your website or mobile app within 180 days after you sign up. You need to make at least one sale during this period to stay in the program. If you don't make a sale, your account will be closed and you won't get any commission. So make sure that you create awesome content and promote products that your audience will love. Now you might be wondering about your tax information. You can enter it now if you want to, but I don't want, so I would fill it later because I can do it another time. So you can see we are inside the Amazon Associate Program, and guys, I would recommend you to enable Site Stripe. This is a toolbar that shows up at the top of every page you visit on Amazon once you are logged into your affiliate account. You can use Stripe to create text image or text plus image links to any product on Amazon and copy the code to your content. To enable it, go to tool and then go to Stripe, then just go to learn more, and if you scroll down here, just make sure that Stripe is enabled. That way when you go to Amazon, you will see this gray bar, and you would have seen this before. If you didn't already have an Amazon associate account, okay, now let me show you how you can generate affiliate links. It's super easy and fun. First, you need to go to Amazon and search for anything you want to promote. For example, whatever you want, you have to search for it, or you may come to the best sellings. Okay, then after finding your product, you should come here and this page. Okay, we can see we are going to that page and we are checking out it. Yes, it's pretty nice. Now to get the affiliate link for this product, you need to look at the top left corner of the page. You will see the Site Stripe, which is the toolbar that we enabled earlier. Click on the text icon under the get link text. A pop-up window will appear with the link code. The link code will include your unique affiliate ID that tracks your referrals and commissions. Once you're done, click on the copy link button and paste the link into your content. That's it. You have successfully created an affiliate link using Stripe. So guys, that's how you can join the Amazon affiliate program and start making money online by promoting Amazon products. It's a really simple and fun way to earn some extra cash by sharing your favorite products with your audience. But wait, there is more about Amazon Associate Program. If you want, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free store where you can showcase all the products that you promote. I'm also going to show you some of the best places where you can share your links and get more traffic and sales. So make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment if you need any help. I'm here for you. See you in the next video.